So we performed a bench measurement of inspiratory humidity delivered at steady state at least 1 hour of equilibrium by the psychrometric method. So those measurements were conducted while varying the experimental conditions that influence the heater plate temperature. So we have found an excellent correlation between the delivered humidity and the heater plate temperature, and we can say that there is a very accurate hygrometer inside the humidifier, which most clinicians are not aware of. So we will show you how to monitor the temperature of the heater plate on the heated humidifier. So first, we have to press the two buttons here and then scroll to the heater plate temperature message, HP, here, and then press this button, and here you can see the temperature, which is 67 Celsius degree, which is the temperature of the heater plate. And in the experimental measurement we made, when the temperature is above 62 degrees, we can say that the humidity delivered will be above what is recommended, meaning above 30 milligrams of water.